So I'm William Hardie, and I'm an artist, craftsman, a designer and an engineer, and I've always been particularly interested in how traditional crafts and natural materials can inform the current digital age. It was really exciting when Nissan approached us with this project. Creating a mobile wood workshop that any kind of craftsman could take out into the wilderness and create the most amazing things. As an artist, to be able to travel anywhere and actually bring your workshop to the inspiration, I mean, that's an incredible idea. The brief was really exciting and really open. We're actually makers, we're actually designers. So we were able to actually really get in the shoes of our clients and actually design something that we'd really like to work in. I think that Nissan's motivation was a desire to celebrate the flexibility of this van, but also this incredible ROAM battery unit.
Now the ROAM unit is such a beautiful piece of engineering.
It's actually a recycled product. They've taken all their LEAF technology and pushed it into this new battery.
It's weatherproof, it's portable, and this really gives me the flexibility to do jobs just about anywhere in the country.
Up until this point, if you're working on site with power tools, you either needed a generator or mains power. Suddenly this opens up a new world. You can power it through solar power, but you can take it anywhere and power some really powerful tools. Sustainability is really important to us. I mean, it is the future. It's really cool that Nissan have pioneered the future of intelligent batteries. They've got all their electrical vehicles and now they're moving into new territory, helping out craftsmen in a sustainable way, respecting the past, but looking to the future.